7 causes of codependency. Codependency is a complex issue and it can have more than one cause. Some of the most common ones are: number 1, childhood experience. If a child grows up in a home where the parents were emotionally unavailable, maybe addicted to substances, then the child feels like they need to take care of others. The child starts to believe that they'll only be loved if they take care of others, and this is where codependency starts. Number 2 is traumatic experiences such as neglect, abuse, or loss can make people believe that they need to be needed in order to be safe and secure. Number 3 is social influences, family or culture, for example. Your family or cultural beliefs around relationships and gender roles can really have an influence on you and contribute to codependency. Past relationships. If you've had a relationship with an abusive, controlling, or a person who was addicted to substances, then this can make you feel like you need to take care of the other person in order to maintain the relationship. Number 5, fear of abandonment. Fear of abandonment develops early on in childhood. Someone with a fear of abandonment may do everything possible to stay in the relationship and prevent their partner from leaving. Number 6, low self-esteem. People with low self-esteem don't believe that they are worthy to be loved and deserve to be loved. So they start to please everybody else, especially a romantic partner, to feel needed and valued. Number 7, difficulties setting boundaries. And a person who finds it difficult to set boundaries may feel like they need to put other people's needs before their own. So they forget about themselves and betray themselves and neglect themselves to meet other people's needs. Join the self-love circle to heal codependency with me.